Yeah, so I participated on this crowdfunding campaign from a company called Lofree. I'm sure they're very well known for mouse and keyboard, and this particular mouse called the Hypace, I just couldn't resist the temptation because look at that. That's actually a ghost apparently, a transparent effect with a skeleton sort of look inside. This is like a typical sort of design. I just couldn't resist. I always have to get one of these, especially for watches. I'll try to buy every single one of them, the skeleton watch. Anyhow, so this one has an input power of 5 volts of 500 milliamp and a battery type of 3.7 volt of 250 milliamp hour. And also this is apparently an 8K receiver wireless mouse. So must be really cool mouse. Anyway, so I just want to try out the looks and just show you how cool this is for you guys because I love you. Plus, they sent me a really lovely t-shirt as well, so maybe I'll just wear that later on. But enough said, let's get into the unboxing first and try out, shall we? So here it goes. So moment of truth, look at that. This is so cyber look, isn't it? Nice. And we got the receiver here, which is also transparent. Nice. There's a USB-C and the actual mouse. It's very light. Oh my god, it's really light. We got the BT off 2.4 and power on button. And that's how it looks. That's a really good sound. Wow, and the wheel scroll is very smooth as well. I mean, if you compare with the other one, yeah, you would appreciate the very quiet sound. If we were to open up the rest, very good quality USB-A to USB-C, instruction manual, all these, yep, approval sticker, but bit of a weight. 2 of these, pretty much the standard function, isn't it? That's how you apply it. You actually connect it to your PC with the Bluetooth, DPI, and etc. I already applied the rest of it here, here, and here. So you just need to do that. Oh, that's very smooth. So that's how it looks like. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. It's very smooth, very light, and it's light as well. It makes it feels like there's like a 360-degree wheel on it. I've seen some of the image that you can actually take out this cover, but I don't want to risk it because it looks like it's a clip joint. I'm quite happy the way how it looks. Really cool text. All right, so let's turn on the Bluetooth, indicating that the Bluetooth is turned on. Ah, look at that. Computer is saying new Bluetooth mouse found. Right, so the Bluetooth is now connected. Change your DPI on this switch here to adjust the speed of it. Let's turn on the 2.4. That light has lightened up. That's transparent. That goes well with the rest of my components on my desktop. Right, so for the use of AutoCAD, I mean, that's pretty good actually. It's very light. It's a different feeling indeed. It's a very good quality material. And yeah, for the wheels, you know, this one here, if you want to zoom in, zoom out, it's very quick. That's a fantastic news. So if you want to use this for your CAD mouse, then it's definitely an upgrade comparing to the old, you know, this mouse that I don't want to mention. It's much heavier, by the way. So yeah, perfect for AutoCAD indeed. And if I want to draw a line, yep, acts very quickly as well. And yeah, that pretty much tells all, doesn't it? Now, the major downside of this wheel, even though it's very quiet, is that the scrolling can be better. It's a bit slow for my temper. Right, so this is a standard Logitech mouse that I've been using for a very long time. So if you were to scroll up and down, please do focus on this white bar, the way how quickly it goes up. Yeah. And that's the speed I'm used to, very quick. Now, if we were to use Lofree, check this out. It takes a lot of effort to go up and down. That's what I mean. Again, on the browsing as well, it's slightly frustrating to me. So maybe my brain needs to get used to that. But strangely, on the AutoCAD, it works really well. Or maybe there is a software how to resolve this matter. Right, so if you go to Lofree's official website, you'll be able to connect your mouse into their website and then change the settings, as you can see here. So the left click mouse, you can actually change the right click into something else, and the wheel click as well. You can change it for different function. But what I've noticed is here, the speed. I'm not sure what that speed represents. Is it the scrolling? I mean, I'm gonna put it onto max, and then let's check the speed. Okay, so that's the maximum speed. Let's just go back to that and just reduce it to about 4 and do that again. I don't think there is that much of a difference, to be honest with you. So we can see there's the 50% remaining on the battery, and the next page is the 1 hour, what's this, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Oh, I think this is the sleep time. Yep, it's written in here, sorry. LOD and all the controls. That's quite interesting. There's a lot of intelligence behind it, isn't it? And that's start recording as well, okay? And you can pair it, and you can always upgrade as well. One thing that I find it quite interesting is the lighting effect here. So at the moment it's on red. So yeah, you see the receiver color is in red or pinkish. That's quite cute. But if I were to change it into, let's say for example, green here, then all of a sudden it's changed to green. That's really cute. Right, so this is a game test on PUBG. So you can see it's really smooth. I mean, you have to give credit to my PC for that actually, but yeah, it's very easy to use for gaming purpose. So there you have it. Let's try to shoot down this, yeah, so no wheel testing that has been made, unfortunately. Yep, but it's pretty good. I remember the first time I've been using a mouse was probably year 1992, where the monitor screen used to be black and the text was green, etc. And since then, I never ever felt this good about a mouse. It's so light, and that sticker that you apply on the bottom feels like actually there's a wheel, 360 degree, so it moves around smoothly, slides, so it feels all good. But again, the actual scroll is just a bit slow. I know I'm an early adapter on this case, and there was an update, needs an update software on their website, so hopefully they'll put some sort of like a software upgrade, and I hope I'm not the only one who's raising this. I hope the other people will also tell Lofree that this could be a bit of a frustrating to them. I mean, when it comes to AutoCAD, it worked perfectly fine. I'm sure it's on the other games, it might actually work fine on the zoom in and zoom out. But when it comes to like scrolling up and down on a website or PDF document, which is very important for me actually, for reading several pages or searching all several lists of document on the windows, is essential for me for the wheels. So I hope Lofree will be able to update that. But other than that, it's a really good mouse. As long as that doesn't bother you, the scrolling bit, then you should definitely get one. So I hope this video helped you understand how cool this mouse is from Lofree. But if you have any queries, please do comment below, and thank you very much for watching this video. This is LJB Tech. All the best. Bye bye.